So this bad boy here, the Ninja Actifryer, is my favorite thing in the whole kitchen. I think it's the thing I use the most. In fact, forget the microwave, forget the oven, forget all of that. The Actifryer, that's getting used, baby. Now, it had many functions, but I'll be honest with you, I don't use them all. Air fry, that's the one, mate. Max Crisp, also very good. Air fryer right here is very nice. Max Crisp also when you want to get that little pied de resistance. They dehydrate, bake, reheat, and roast. All of them do a good thing. They're all great things. Now, it's very easy, simple to use. It has a little thing on here about sort of cooking times, and you can look online for cooking times because everybody wants to know exactly how long it takes to cook everything. But this bad boy is my most used kitchen appliance in years. The only thing I wish is that these were bigger. I wish I could fit more into it. So maybe you could get one of those large ones and then separate it. Although 2 portions is good because you can cook one thing here, you can cook some meat, cook some chips, or however you want to do it, and it all works well. I really, really, really like this thing. Love this thing. The only other annoyance is cleaning it. Ugh.